Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Charles here. It's been a while since I made a video. There's a couple things. I'm currently working 2 jobs, so I'm making some extra money so then I can buy some more stuff, right? But also I just haven't received anything. So I did just pick up a part for my MO-93 bicycle, the Swiss Army bike is also known as that. So I was riding my bike about 6 weeks ago with my son going down a hill, and I dumped the bike while I was on it, and I think I broke my something in my left hand. But I've broken my right hand before. And anyway, I'm pretty much recovered from that, although my left hand is slightly weaker, and or the pain keeps me from doing heavy stuff with it. But if I'm not doing something heavy, I mean, it works fine. But that's what happens when you dump your bike while you're on it and you weigh about 210 to 215 pounds. You see here I kind of dinged this, but more importantly, I broke off the lever from its piston, or the rest of the assembly on here. And so I was super worried that I wouldn't even be able to find something with the same aesthetic look. I mean, I knew that I could buy most types of the Magura hydraulic brakes and put it on here. It would just look really different, because I still, obviously, on my right side, I still have the regular one. But you can see there, it's completely broken off of this. This looks like it's aluminum or some type of alloy, aluminum alloy at least. But that's what we got going on here. So then I started talking with one of my local bike shops in White Center in Washington State, and where I've been going for a few years now. He really didn't have any idea of what I could do. So there was a newer shop, and it's called Lake Cyclery. Anyway, it's Lake Cyclery. It's a bike shop right in Seattle, so it's about 2 miles away from my house. And just on a whim, I decided to ask him, and I took in my lever and showed the owner. And I know his first name is Dale Clark is his full name. Anyway, so he said, yeah, that's Magura. I know that one. And I don't remember if he called it like a S330 or 30, but anyway, that's not important. He was very helpful to me, and that's why I want to put a shout out to Lake Cyclery, because it took a couple weeks before he found this part, because he had a box of stuff, and so then he furnished this to me. So this one is very slightly different. I mean, I'm guessing that they stopped making these at least 20 years ago or more on this style from Magura. But he also told me that he had met with the owners of the company. I think it's the Marta Family. But boy, he was very knowledgeable on this weird stuff. And I don't know how he came up with this, but this is for the left brake, and that may not sound like it's that big of a deal, but it is. I mean, this bike itself is 28 years old, so trying to find something that looks very similar, if not the same, is very difficult. And if you can find parts, it's super expensive. Also, I've found some parts in like Germany, but when you're buying stuff online or on eBay, because they consider this like a military bike, I can't buy the parts, at least from Germany, I have found. So this is great. This one is slightly different. So you can see here on these brakes, these are a gloss finish on the original. This is a matte. This one is also, you see where the tube comes out here for the hydraulics. It's opposite of this. With the standoff here for the handle, I think all I need to do is take the screw off of this one and the old one, and I think this will just plug into there. It's got all the same shape there, so I haven't even taken this apart, obviously, because I just got this. So I'm hoping it should be straightforward. And I was also told that all I really need to do is get some mineral oil and fill the reservoir on here, and then just put this cable back onto the new one. So I'll let you know if it's successful and all that great things. Once again, Dale, thank you very much for finding these things. And if you're ever looking for specifically like Magura hydraulic brakes, you might want to contact them. They do have a website and a phone number. He's located in Seattle, Washington, USA. And that is about it as far as this goes, and I will update you with that. One other thing I just wanted to show you is I did also get a Rondo thermometer. So this one, I can put this on my window. Of course it's in Celsius, and here in the US we use Fahrenheit, but I can translate this enough. But this is vintage. Can't find these things. Well, at least in the US, it's very difficult to find these things. It's just kind of cool. It's a little knick-knack I picked up, and it's in the box. But that's a little add-on thing that I have. Otherwise, I did sell my one of my Italian Alpini rucksacks. It's that green canvas, and I hand waxed it. So I sold that on eBay, and I did that because I found on eBay a different version of it, which I will show you next week after I receive it from Texas. And selling that, I didn't really make any profit, but I just need to get rid of some of my stuff. So, guys, have any comments or questions? Let me know. Have a great day.